Hello and welcome. My name is Jonas Birme and I'm the CTO of Eyevinn Open Source Cloud. And today I'm going to demonstrate for you one of the latest additions we have added to our platform. Open Source Cloud is a platform to make it simpler for you to get started with open source, and also for open source creators to distribute what they've done to a wider audience, making it super simple to get started with open source. Just a few click of the buttons, that's the main idea. So one of the latest things we have added to Open Source Cloud is a project that's open source. It's a project that enables you to connect Claude Code, the AI agent developer, with your Slack account, and with that gives it possibility to basically using within Slack you can chat with your Claude Code developer to build things and do stuff for you, and that's what I'm going to demonstrate for you today. So here we have Open Source Cloud, as you may find familiar at this time. The service that we have added, it's called Claude Code Slackbot, and the creator of this is the account MPOCOT. You find his GitHub repository here, and this project we have done some minor modifications to. I will commit that upstream very soon, but one of the things is to make it possible to run in a container, for example, to give you a sort of a sandboxed environment when it's running. So to get started, we have a very thorough documentation here. You can click on that, where we describe exactly how, the step-by-step, how you create a Slack app, how you configured it, how you get all the permissions and the tokens that you need. And also, if you want to enable access to your GitHub, you can create a GitHub token and you can provide that as well. And then how to deploy it here in Open Source Cloud. And then you just create and you fill this in. You can give the bottom name and all the tokens here. And this I've already done. I created a Claude Code bot that we call Oscar. And when that is created, we then have available in our Slack a bot called Oscar. So the first thing I'm doing is I will create a directory to work on, and that means that everything I'm working on within this thread is done in this directory. And what should we do then? Why not modify this application, the actual OSC application? One of the things that a little bit bothered me here is that we have the saved services here on to the right, but also I'm thinking if we don't have any saved services, this option shouldn't exist. So let's have Oscar do that for us. So I'm going to instruct him or her, or we should call him, clone the repo Eyevinn app, which is this application, and create a PR where the saved services tab on the web services on the browse page is only visible if the tenant has any saved services. So basically you're prompting Claude the same way as you do, but the only thing, the difference is that you do it within Slack. So let's do that. And of course, I mean, the possibility here is that first of all you can run many things in parallel, and you can also interact from your phone using the Slack client or the Slack application, and you can do it when you're on the subway or commuting, or maybe not in a meeting, it still distract you, but yeah, you understand, you are not actually, you don't have to sit by your computer. That's one of the things. And so now it's running, and if there is an option or a command that it creates your approval, that will pop up here you have the possibility to approve or deny the action. Typically some bash actions or web search and these things are things that you want to have a little bit more control over. And now, I mean, it's working in this container that is limited in the sense what it have access to, and sort of the file system is contained there as well, and nothing is running as root, etc. So it is a safe way. I mean, you don't want to connect it with your computer, for example, with everything you have on that. So you want to have this sandbox environment. So here's an example how it asks for whether it could actually run a command. I'll try to approve that, see if he has the possibility to do that. It's creating a pull request. Here it is. Hide the saved services tab when tenant has no saved services. So it has summarized when it's done, and we can review the code. I would recommend that you check it out and run it locally and verify that it works. This change seems quite small, so I think I could probably, by just reading the code here, understand if it does what it should do or does not. So that's a small change, but you can get it done instantly as soon as it pops up. I mean, the way we work is that one of our users give us feedback, or ourselves we see that, okay, this is something that should be changed or improved. We can just immediately do that, and then we can spend our thoughts on other more, I wouldn't say complex things, but other things that we choose to do. And this meaning that we can scale up the development here really quickly and can work with a very slimmed and efficient team in the OSC. So yeah, that was an example. Thank you for watching, and I'm just encourage you to sign up, try this out. You have 300 user tokens for free when signing up, so go ahead. Just get an Anthropic account and start playing around with this. Bye-bye.
Welcome to Eyevinn Open Source Cloud, your gateway to a world of open web services. Imagine a cloud service where every component is built on open source software. With Eyevinn Open Source Cloud, you can explore and evaluate top-notch web services without the need to manage your own hosting environment. Our platform offers you the freedom to choose. Use the services in the cloud today, and if you ever decide to bring them in-house, you're free to do so. There's no vendor lock-in, just pure open innovation at your fingertips. From storage and databases to media services, development tools, testing frameworks, and even a Minecraft server, our catalog is as diverse as it is dynamic. New open web services are continuously added every week, keeping you at the forefront of technology. Join us on this journey and experience the power of open source like never before with Eyevinn Open Source Cloud.